Alright, in this video I'll teach you how to simplify fractions. Simplifying fractions. And there are three parts. The first one, I'll teach you when the denominators are the same denominators, those are the same. For example, can have 1 over 5 plus 3 over 5, 2 over 7 plus 1 over 7. We can have 3 over 8 minus 1 over 8. Then we can have 4 over 5 minus maybe let's just say 2 over 5. So to simplify these fractions, when they have the same denominator, so you pick one denominator, 5, and simply operate the numerator 1 plus 3, and that will give you 4 over 5. In this part also there are 7, so pick 7. We have 2 plus 1, that will give us 3 over 7. This one, they have the same denominator also. We pick 8, so we have 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1 minus 1, that will give us 3 minus 1 is 2 over 8, and this is 2. They have the same denominator, 5, 5, 5, 5. 4 minus 2, 4 minus 2, giving us 2 over 5. The second part is different denominators, and different denominators no common divisors. Different denominators, no common divisors. Say 3 over 4. 3 over 4 plus 2 over 5. And B, we have 1 over 3 minus 2 over 7. And C, we have 1 over 4 plus and let's just say 2 over 3. And D also, we can have 2 over 5 minus 1 over 7. So like this one, so what you do is that we'll have 4 and 5 multiply this way, like 3 over 4 plus 2 over 5, multiply this way, multiply. So we have multiply, and also multiply. So for example, in this case, we have 4 times 5, 20, and 5 times 3, 15, plus 4 times 2, 8. And that will give us what? 23 over 20. In this second part here, we have 3 times 7, 21, 7 times 1, 7, minus 3 times 2, 6. That gives us 1 over 21. And in this case, 4 times 3, 12, 3 times 1, 3, plus 4 times 2, 8, giving us 11 over 12. In the last one, 5 by 7 gives us 35. 7 by 2 gives us 14 minus 5 times 1, 5. That gives us 9 over 35. Then the third case, case 3, is different denominators with common factors, common divisors. Say A, you can have 2 over 4 plus 1 over 6, and B, you can have 3 over 5 minus 4 over 15, and D can have 1 over 2 minus 3 over 8, or C rather, and D, you can have maybe 3 over 10 plus maybe 2 over 5. Let's leave it this way, this ones. So in this case, what you do is that bring out the GCD, bring out the greatest common divisor. Bring out the GCD. We need the GCD of 4 and 6. So we bring it out, that's 2. So we bring out 2. Then we have 2 over 2 plus 1 over 3. And we continue like before. 3 times 2, 6 plus 2 times 1, 2 over, then you multiply everything. Multiply. 2 times 2, 4 times 3, 12. And then you have 8 over 12. And this one, the GCD is 5. Bring out the 5. And then you have 3 over 1 minus 4 over 3. So we have your bracket, 3 times 3, 9 minus 1 times 4, 4. And the GCD is 5 times 1 times 3, which is 15. And that gives you 5 over 15. Okay, in this case, the GCD is 2. Bring out the 2. And then you have 1 over 1 minus 3 over 4. And then you have your division line, 4 times 1, 4 minus 1 times 3, 3 over 2 times 1 times 4, 8. That gives us 1 over 8. In the last case, the GCD is 5 also. 5, so I bring out 5. Then I have 3 over 2. I'm dividing that 5 into 10. That's what I'm doing, since I divided 2 into 4, divide 2 into 6 to have 2 and 3 here. 2 divides 4, 2, 2 divides 6, 3. So also here, the same thing, plus 2 over 5 divides 5, 1. So again, I'll go on 1 by 3, 3, 2 by 2, 4. Then I have 5 times 2 times 1, 10. And that gives me 7 over 10. So these are the 3 cases you can have when you're simplifying fractions. If you have any question, let me know. So the third part may feel a little cumbersome, but with practice you get it. Just look for the greatest common divisor and bring it out. Greatest common divisor of 4 and 6, 2. Then use it to divide the denominators. Then keep the numerator as before you continue with the way we've been doing the other ones. Thanks for watching. Love you. Love ya.